The world is changing fast, and the pace of innovation is accelerating all around us. Nowhere is this rapid progress more evident than in the incredible breakthroughs happening inside our own mouths, an area of science that's often overlooked, but is now at the forefront of medical innovation. In cutting-edge labs in Japan, scientists have achieved what once seemed impossible. They've managed to grow fully functional human teeth in the lab. These aren't just simple replicas. They're real teeth, complete with enamel, dentin and roots, just like the ones we're born with. Imagine a future where losing a tooth isn't a permanent problem, but simply an opportunity to grow a new one, naturally and seamlessly, as if nothing ever happened. Alongside this, researchers have developed a revolutionary gel that can actually regenerate tooth enamel. This means cavities could be healed before a filling is ever needed, changing the way we think about dental care. The gel works by encouraging natural minerals to rebuild the tooth surface, layer by layer, potentially making the dentist's drill a thing of the past for many people. For centuries, dentistry has focused on repair and replacement, using fillings, crowns and implants to fix what's been lost or damaged. But now we're entering a new era, one of true regeneration, where we can actually heal and regrow what was once thought to be gone forever. Soon, losing a tooth could be nothing more than a temporary setback rather than a lifelong issue or source of embarrassment. These advances have the potential to bring perfect oral health within reach for everyone, regardless of age, background or genetics, making strong, healthy teeth a universal reality. It's a stunning example of science and technology working in harmony with our own biology, unlocking new possibilities for health and well-being. The implications for oral health are enormous, promising a future where dental problems are not just managed, but truly solved at their root. Instead of simply patching up damage, we can now genuinely restore what was lost, giving people back their natural smiles and confidence. The future of dentistry is not just about fixing teeth, it's about growing them back better and stronger than before. This is the dawn of a new era in personal health, where science empowers us to reclaim what we once thought was gone forever. The tooth revolution has begun, and it's transforming smiles and lives all around the world. Now, let's move from the microscopic to the industrial, where the scale and ambition are truly staggering. In this new era, China is rewriting the rules of automation, pushing boundaries that once seemed impossible. Companies like UBTech and Fourier Intelligence are at the forefront, deploying humanoid robots that can walk, use tools, and work seamlessly alongside humans on bustling factory floors. Unlike the old generation of robots, which were often locked away in safety cages, these new machines are highly adaptable. They can assemble delicate electronics, carry heavy boxes, and even learn entirely new tasks simply by observing people at work, mimicking human actions with surprising accuracy. Their human-like form means that factories don't need to be redesigned from scratch. These robots fit right in, navigating the same aisles and workstations as their human counterparts. Thanks to advanced AI and a suite of sophisticated sensors, they can work safely and efficiently with people, not just behind protective barriers. And this isn't just about replacing workers, it's about freeing humans from repetitive, physically demanding, or even dangerous jobs, allowing people to focus on more creative and complex tasks. As a result, factories are becoming more efficient, flexible, and safe than ever before, with productivity reaching new heights. What we're seeing is the first large-scale test of a truly integrated human-robot workforce, where collaboration is the new standard. If this experiment succeeds, it could revolutionize manufacturing worldwide, setting a new benchmark for industries everywhere. But with this leap forward, it also raises big questions about the future of work, job security, and the evolving role of humans in industry. Intelligent machines are no longer just our tools, they are becoming our partners, working side by side with us to shape the future. We're witnessing the dawn of a new industrial era, one where human ingenuity and robotic precision combine to redefine what's possible. Technology is reshaping even our most personal experiences, like love. In Japan, a woman recently married an AI avatar she designed herself, choosing his looks, personality, and voice. Their relationship, though unconventional, highlights a growing trend. People forming deep bonds with AI companions. These digital partners offer constant support and companionship, learning and adapting to their users' needs. For some, it's a safe alternative to human relationships. For others, it's a sign of growing isolation. The story sparks debate. Can love with a machine be real? Does it matter if it brings happiness? As AI grows more sophisticated, these relationships may become more common. We're entering uncharted territory in the meaning of connection. Not every bold vision becomes reality. Sometimes even the most ambitious dreams can falter when faced with the harshness of the real world. Saudi Arabia's The Line was imagined as a 170-kilometer-long mirrored city, designed to house 9 million people. No cars, zero emissions, and everything powered by advanced AI. It was a vision of the future, a city unlike any other on Earth, but reality intervened. The project has been drastically scaled back to just 2.4 kilometers, with timelines repeatedly pushed back and costs spiraling out of control. The dream ran into the hard limits of engineering, funding, and logistics. Even the best ideas can stumble when confronted by practical challenges. The collapse of the line is a powerful lesson in the gap between ambition and reality, showing how even the grandest plans can unravel. Even with vast resources, money, and strong political will, some ideas are simply too big or arrive too soon for their time. Progress often comes from steady, incremental steps, not from giant leaps that try to skip the journey. The line reminds us that technology and innovation must always be grounded in practicality and real-world constraints. Grand visions can inspire us, but in the end, execution is everything. Turning dreams into reality requires patience, persistence, and adaptability. The story of The Line stands as a cautionary tale for future megaprojects, urging us to balance ambition with realism. In Hong Kong, a small robot is making a big impact. This machine can change its shape, walking on legs like an insect, then transforming into a wheeled vehicle for speed. It decides how to move by analyzing the terrain ahead, switching modes to tackle stairs, rubble, or smooth floors. Inspired by nature, it's a marvel of adaptability and intelligence. Imagine it in search and rescue, rolling through streets, then climbing over debris to find survivors. This shape-shifting robot shows the future machines that are not just strong, but smart and versatile. It's a leap toward truly useful mechanical assistance. In Berlin, a fully autonomous AI-powered kitchen is serving up fresh meals. No human chefs required. Customers order on a screen, and robotic arms prepare salads and bowls with precision and speed. The AI calculates exact portions, reducing waste and ensuring hygiene. Meals are ready in minutes, 24/7, with consistent quality. For business owners, it means lower labor costs and no staffing headaches. For customers, it's fast, reliable, and customizable. While robot kitchens excel at routine meals, human chefs still shine in creativity and fine dining. Automation will likely handle the basics, freeing people for more creative work. This kitchen is a glimpse of how AI will change what and how we eat. The future of food is efficient, fresh, and smart. From kitchens to the skies, China has just unveiled its 6th-generation fighter jet. The tailless, stealthy aircraft wowed crowds with its agility and advanced design. It features next-gen tech radar invisibility, AI co-pilot, and engines that switch between speed and efficiency. The AI can analyze data, control drone swarms, and let the human pilot focus on strategy. This jet signals China's leap ahead in military technology and aerospace innovation. The breakthroughs, AI materials, autonomy, it will spill over into civilian uses, from safer planes to stronger cars. Like the space race, this competition will drive new inventions for everyone. It's a reminder, military innovation often shapes the world beyond the battlefield. The future of flight is being written now. The pace of change in 2026 is breathtaking. We're regrowing teeth, working with robot colleagues, and even redefining love. The collapse of the line reminds us to balance ambition with realism. Shape-shifting robots and AI kitchens show how smart tech can solve everyday problems. China's new jet highlights the global race for innovation. These aren't just headlines, they're the seeds of tomorrow. Technology is becoming more integrated, making life safer, faster, and more connected. Our challenge is to guide this wave of change wisely. The future will be more advanced, and if we choose, more human. The world of tomorrow is being built today.